To get USDT on Trezor, start by ensuring you have a Trezor hardware wallet and a computer with internet access. First, connect your Trezor device to your computer using the provided USB cable and install the Trezor Suite application if you have not already done so. Next, open the Trezor Suite application and navigate to the Accounts section, where you will find a list of accounts and wallets associated with your Trezor device. Select the Ethereum account, as USDT is an ERC20 token that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. You will then see the account details, including the Ethereum address associated with your Trezor device. To receive USDT, you will need to share this Ethereum address with the sender or use it to withdraw USDT from an exchange or other source. Be sure to only share the address and never the private key or seed phrase associated with your Trezor device. Once the USDT has been sent to your Ethereum address, return to the Trezor Suite application and navigate to the Accounts section. You should see the USDT balance updated in your Ethereum account. It is essential to note that to interact with the USDT token, your Trezor device must have a small amount of Ethereum to cover transaction fees. This is because USDT is an ERC20 token and transactions on the Ethereum network require a small amount of Ether. To manage your USDT and other cryptocurrency assets securely, always keep your Trezor device and computer in a safe and secure environment, and never share sensitive information with anyone. Regularly update your Trezor Suite application to ensure you have the latest security features and functionality. By following these steps, you can easily get USDT on your Trezor device and manage your cryptocurrency assets securely. Always prioritize security and best practices when working with cryptocurrency to protect your assets and identity.